Hello, hey school. Today we will be doing a few skits for our assembly item and also a few poetry. Okay, let's go.
Welcome to our drama skit. We're doing Little Red Riding Hood, but we have changed a little things up again. We have Little Red Riding Hood that Malia plays. We have Little Apple Riding Hood who Sophia plays. We have Grandmother who Lily plays, and we have Hunter that Pippa plays. And finally we have Sierra. She plays the stranger and also the father. And I play the mother too. I'm so bored. What should we do? Girls, there's some cookies over there. How do you deliver them to your grandma? May we have one? Yeah, sure. Remember, be nice to her. Yes, she loves a lovely greeting. Don't be rude to her. Okay. Remember, don't meet any strangers. What did they say? I don't know. They heard. Yeah, I think so. Let's just keep going. Such a long way. Oh, look at that. My name is Grandma. She love that. Yeah. Oh my, are you okay? Oh yeah, I just had my mom. Where are you guys going? To our grandma's. To the Lowanese. May I have a look? Sure. Say goodbye. Are you on top? Yeah. She took our basket. Come back here! Quickly get your basket. Thank you. I'll deal with her. We should probably go for her. Let's go. Hello. Thank you. And I brought you a flower. That's lovely. I'll get you some more. There you go. Go shop with them anymore. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Come on, let's go. But you're selling too much stuff these days. Yes, you have.
She's probably going to jail.
I betcha. The end. Today, you're going to copy everything I write down on the board. And don't lose track. Write this first question. 2 plus 2. Here. It's not working. Just try again. And that means E equals MC squared. And that's the math they use to make rockets.
False. Fail. Back
What?
at
It
lunchtime.
didn't work. I'm sorry.
Back at lunchtime.
Aww. But that was fair. The rubber didn't work.
Back at lunchtime.
Yeah. Oh, hello. This is our assembly item skit for 34W. And yeah, let's get on with it. Okay. Yeah, let's play some video games. Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. Can you wait? Oh, okay. Hey, don't we go to school today? Can you fix this? It's got an error on. Oh, you can probably explain it to your
I thought we were 5 minutes early, not 5 minutes late.
No, it's 9:05.
Okay, let me call Lockie.
No, don't. He could be at school. Kobe said he'll be on holidays.
Okay. Ring.
Oh, hello.
Why aren't you at school, Kobe? Nobody's here at school today.
It's a weekend.
Oh,
Come over to our house.
okay.
1 day later. It's in school now. Wait,
Why is it Jacob here?
yeah, why is it here? Oh, you might be sick.
Yeah, we'll go there. Yeah. Okay. Hello, anybody there?
What are you calling me now?
Why are you at school?
Yeah, it's a weekend.
No, it's not.
You said it was a weekend though.
That was yesterday. Bring Jacob
Oh.
with you.
Jacob will go to school.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
We'll just wait. Oh, you are. That's good. Why didn't you tell me it was a school day?
Sorry.
Wait,
error.
wait. So, yeah, but it was Saturday. No, Sunday yesterday. And Sunday was the day before. Wait, I think I got that wrong. Saturday was 2 days ago, and Sunday was yesterday. Yeah. Okay. The end.
This is our assembly item for 34W. It's called the old race. So let's get started.
Did you hear about the old race that's coming up? It's for 60 and over. No, it's today at 10 o'clock.
Ooh, shall we?
Wait,
enter?
what?
It's 9:30.
It's 9. Yeah, 9:30.
Okay, let's go.
Let's enter. Go now. 30 minutes later. We have to drive 2 hours. Oh no, I can't even tell my own road. 15 minutes. Ready, set, go. Oh, that race was Usain Bolt speed.
Hi, this is my poem and it's about dogs. I'll read you it. Brown eyes, naughty, mixed breed, crazy, not understandable, runs fast, canine, dogs, dogs, dogs. Dog breed, fun, protective, soft as grass, barking loudly, dogs, dogs, dogs.
Can you show us a picture?
And I drew a few dogs. Hi, my name's Cooper and I'm going to read Daycare Disaster. This is how it goes. My mother runs a daycare. She's so wonderful with kids, and every time when I get home she tells me what they did. Scott put Play-Doh in his ears, then ate a huge mince pie, reached me lunch all down the walls, then rubbed some in his eyes. Casey took some scissors, then cut off for Teddy's ears, and when they wouldn't go back on, she blasted in floods of tears. Jill wrecked Kelly's artwork. Nathan washed his hands with glue. Nathan put his milk into Jemima's shoe. Bob bit Harry on the hand. Ali kicked her toe. Julie cried for hours and hours. What for? I'll never know. My mother runs a daycare, and she says it's really cool, but secretly I'm quite relieved that I can go to school.
I made this poem at my house, and it's called A Day at the Beach, and this is what it looks like. Everyone broke out to a grateful cheer when Mum announced we were going to the beach. Maybe it was because the sky was clear, or maybe just a day to go have fun. We pulled up in our car at the beach, and Mia gets her bucket and spade. Mitchell gets out his boogie board, and Mum finds a spot to sit in the shade. We can see lots of people eating their lunch, along with some kids playing in the sand. Everyone was wearing a sun-safe hat, and Mum started putting sunscreen on my hand. Mia and I covered Dad's body in the sand while Mitchell was catching the tiny little fish. We loved jumping over the small waves, and all of those waves made the sound swish. Everyone started to pack up their things as the sun began to go down at the beach. As we left, the seagulls spread out their wings and flew all the way to their nests on the ground. Everyone broke out to a grateful cheer when Mum announced we were going to the beach. Maybe it was because the sky was clear, or maybe just a day to go have fun. That's Sophie and Alana.
Night, as the darkness falls, the night comes in. I feel like coldness creep under my skin. The time is coming, they will say good night, and then I know they'll turn off the light. They will leave me alone, all alone in my bed, and nighttime fears will jump into my head. I will shake like a leaf on a cold windy day as I try to wish my worries away. I will shadows dance hauntingly over my wall. I know I will hear footsteps outside in the hall. Something is out there, I hear it each night. Please, will you come back and turn on the light? If only they knew that the night is my foe. If only they knew that I don't want them to go. I wish I could tell them the secret I keep. Please, won't you stay till I drift off to sleep?
Thank you for listening to our play. I hope you enjoy the skits and our poems. Bye.